In this video, we will understand how can we convert rotation of a wheel into miles per hour as the speed of bicycle. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Here is a very interesting question based on unit conversion. The problem here is a tire of a moving bicycle is 16 inches. If the tire is making 2 rotations per second, find the bicycle speed in miles per hour. We have also given you the conversion factors. 1 mile is 50 to 80 feet or 63,360 inches or 1760 yards or 1.609 kilometers. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. We are going to solve this problem in two parts. First, we'll find how do we convert the rotation into distance. So we are given a wheel of the bicycle whose radius is 16 inches. In each rotation, it is going to cover a distance of 2 pi r. So that is one rotation. Since this is the circumference. Now, we say that if the tire is making 2 rotations per second, so that is one rotation, but tire is making 2 rotations per second, so 2 times 2 pi r means 2 rotations per second. Since we know the value of r, we can find the distance covered per second, right? So distance, which is a linear distance, will be 2 into 2 pi, radius being 16. And definitely the units will be inches. So that becomes the distance covered in inches. And this distance is in 1 second, right? Per second. Now, distance per second is the speed. So we know speed of cycle. Is 2 into 2 pi times 16 inch per second. Makes sense, right? So let me just multiply these numbers and rewrite. 16 times 2 is 32 and double of 2 is 64. So we have 64 pi inch per second, right? So that becomes the speed in inches per second. So that's the first part. Now we'll do the second part, which is we want to find the speed in miles per hour. In that case, we are going to use the conversion factor. Perfect. Since we are doing it in inches, we'll see 1 mile is 63,360 inches, and then we'll convert. So let's move on to a new page. So we have a speed of 64 pi inch per second. To convert it into miles per hour, we know 1 mile is equal to 63,360 inches. So we can write 1 mile over 63,360 inches. So that is how we convert the units, you see. So inch and inch will get cancelled. And you can clearly see how we are deriving or converting the units. Now seconds and hours. Now 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So that is the conversion. We know 1 hour is 360, 3600 seconds, right? So seconds and seconds cancel, and definitely we get 64 pi times 60 times 60 over 63 360, and the units will be miles per hour. Is that clear to you? Now we are going to use the calculator to calculate this. And we get this as equal to 11.42 miles per hour. Makes sense? So that is how we are going to convert the speed, which was in inches per second, into miles per hour. Perfect. So I hope the concept is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.